The predator is a hunter species that travels the galaxy in search of the most worthy prey to hunt. They have a high code of honor and are technologically advanced. They have barbaric bladed weapons to the truly lethal weapons like the plasma caster, nutgun, and smart disc. There are many clans that hunt on various planets, and some predators are skilled enough to hunt alone. Now, in the story of Mortal Kombat X, it is said that the predator does not wish to rule a land or its people. It does not seek to destroy realms like gods have in this universe. The predator is here to fight and kill, only for sport and honor. There is plenty of combat in Earthrealm. Now, elder gods like Shinnok and Shao Kahn were conquerors, but they were also defeated. The predator will not be defeated. He plans to fight many opponents like humans, outworlders, and demons, but they will all eventually lose to superior technology, weapons, tactics, and strengths. Their bodies will be skinned, and their trophies will be collected. The predator has brought equipment and weapons, such as the biomask, body armor, wrist blades, stealth camouflage, proximity mines, plasma caster, smart disc, medicomp, and the self-destruct device. During its time on Earthrealm, the predator defeated all of its opponents. Many of them were skilled warriors and made for excellent sport for the hunter. Some warriors also used a power that was unknown to their species, sorcery. The predator planned to harness this power and use it for future hunts. Now, during a recent battle, he was able to acquire a trophy from a defeated opponent. He analyzed this item and discovered the secrets about sorcery. Now, combining this new power with his current technology and hunting skills, the predator had become the ultimate hunter. So what did you think about the predator that was featured in Mortal Kombat X? Do you think it was a good representation of the hunter we've seen in the movies? Put your thoughts in the comment section. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe to see more content around the Alien and Predator universe. Thanks for watching. My name is Asaglow, and I'll see you in the next video.
Predator wins.